Sabi ni Don, parang nagbo-bolt ka na yata. Sabi ko, hayaan mo para masok ka na sila.
I swear to God when I come home, I'm gonna hold you so close. I swear to God when I come home, I'll never let go. Like a river I flow to the ocean unknown. You pull me close, guiding me home. And I need you to know that we're falling so fast. We're falling like the stars, falling in love. And I'm not scared to say those words. With you I'm safe. We're falling like the stars, falling in love. I swear to God I can see 4 kids and no sleep. We'll have one on each knee, you and me.
So, ayan po yung pwede nating ilagay pag nagbababad tayo. Akong nilagay ko tong Pink Himalayan Mineral Soak. Lagyan nyo ng 2 takal. Yung pagbababara ninyo. Nako, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Itong isa kasi kay Don Paratot. Itong kulay, itong pure Epsom salt. Salt naman pareho. Sa akin yung pink, syempre. Mahilig sa pink. So, may instruction naman. Dalawang takal lang naman nilagay. So, ayan po siya. So, ito yung ginamit ko. Ito ginagamit ko doon para to. Try po ninyo magbabad. 2 takal lang ilalagay nyo doon sa bathtub or sa drum or sa timba or sa kahit nasaan. Sa mainit na tubig. Yan po yun. Mura lang naman yan. Ayan po pagkatapos yung magbabad. Fresh.
I lose my way. Oh, I'm in love.
Ang sarap sa pakiramdam.
Oh, I'm in love. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, I'm in love. And
Tapos po mag-moisturize kayo.
We're falling like the stars. We're falling in love. And I'm not scared to say those words. With you I'm safe. We're falling like the stars, falling in love.